Welcome back to my YouTube channel Ride and Review. Today we will talk about 2025 BMW M4. The 2025 BMW M4 exemplifies the brand's commitment to blending high-performance engineering with luxury and advanced technology. This latest iteration introduces subtle yet impactful enhancements that cater to both driving enthusiasts and those seeking refined comfort. Under the hood, the M4 is powered by a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged inline-six engine. The standard M4 Coupe delivers 473 horsepower and 406 lb-ft of torque, paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, offering purists an engaging driving experience. This configuration propels the vehicle from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 4.1 seconds. For those desiring more power, the M4 Competition variant increases output to 503 horsepower and 479 lb-ft of torque. This model comes equipped with an 8-speed M-Steptronic automatic transmission and offers the option of BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system. The M4 Competition xDrive Coupe accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds. Showcasing its impressive performance capabilities. A notable addition to the lineup is the 2025 M4 CS. This model features a specially tuned version of the S58 engine, producing 543 horsepower, a 20 horsepower increase over the M4 Competition. The M4 CS achieves a 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint in just 3.4 seconds, underscoring its track-focused design. The 2025 M4 lineup receives subtle design updates, including new headlights, laser-enhanced taillights, and M-forged light alloy wheels with a bright silver finish. Inside, the cabin features a squared-off steering wheel and updated center vents, reflecting BMW's latest design language. The interior of the M4 is a blend of luxury and sportiness. High-quality materials, such as merino leather upholstery and carbon fiber trim, adorn the cabin. The latest iDrive 8.5 infotainment system with Quick Select offers a user-friendly interface, ensuring drivers remain connected and informed. In terms of handling, the M4 continues to impress with its precise steering and balanced chassis. The adaptive M suspension and active M differential work in harmony to provide exceptional grip and agility, whether navigating tight corners or cruising on the highway. Optional carbon ceramic brakes offer enhanced stopping power and reduced fade during spirited driving sessions. Safety features are comprehensive, including advanced driver assistance systems such as lane departure warning, blind spot detection, and adaptive cruise control. These technologies aim to provide peace of mind without compromising the driving experience. The 2025 BMW M4 is available in various configurations to suit different preferences. The base M4 Coupe starts at $79,700, while the M4 Competition Coupe is priced at $83,900. The M4 Competition xDrive Coupe begins at $89,000, and the M4 CS is available at a starting price of $123,500. In summary, the 2025 BMW M4 offers a harmonious blend of performance, luxury, and advanced technology. With its range of configurations and updated features, it continues to uphold BMW's legacy of delivering the ultimate driving experience.